guys, it's Kin.
Armed. Armed. Armed.
Hey guys, it's Kin. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you were watching. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, as you can see from the title, this is going to be, I think, the College Diaries episode 34. So ayun guys, today is November 5, 2025 and it's my birth month na guys. It's Scorpio season. And ayun, I don't know, medyo kinakabahan ako. Ngayon na lang ulit ako nag-vlog intro. So ayun guys, to be honest, hindi talaga, today is Wednesday and to be honest, hindi talaga dapat ako magvo-vlog. Kasi sobrang dami ko pang pending na vlog guys. Like right now, I'm currently editing the College Diaries episode 32 that is the UAAP opening vlog. And then meron akong College Diaries episode 33 na finilm ko last week, and this is going to be the College Diaries episode 34. And then this month of November, dahil nga birth month ko na and I'm turning 21, meron akong i-film na 3 birthday vlogs na, ayun nga, connected sa birthday ko. Kaya, ayun. Ayun guys, overall, I think meron akong, right now meron akong 5 vlog na pending dito sa cellphone ko. And pang-6 na tong vlog na finifilm ko right now. Kaya, ayun, dapat hindi talaga ako mag-vlog guys. Kasi nga, puno na yung cellphone ko and sobrang dami ko nang i-edit and kailangan gawin. Ayun, I still choose to vlog kasi yun nga, it's my birth month na. It's my birthday week to be honest kasi birthday ko na sa Sunday. And ayun, ang plano ko talaga buong November magka-glam up talaga ako sa school. Though lagi naman ako naka-glam up pero hindi super duper consistent. But this November, since it's my birth month and I think it's my prime era again because it's my birth month, my favorite month of every year, ayun, I plan to glam up every single day. And ayun nga, birthday week ko, so gusto kong mag-vlog and i-capture yung mga mangyayari sa school and yung moments. So ayun, to be honest, malilate na ako. But yeah, for my look, this is my look. So ang ginawa kong makeup today is yung baddest and pinakamakapal kong makeup look sa lahat ng makeup look na ginagawa ko. And for my uniform, hindi ko na dapat siya ipapakita kasi kabisado nyo na. But since ngayon na lang ulit ako nag-vlog intro, this is my school uniform, my iconic and favorite type A uniform. And for my hair, guys, pa-haircut pala ako, pero di siya ganun kahalata. Pero ayan, umikli na siya guys, as you can see. So, ayan, kinurl ko lang siya. Alam na alam nyo na yan. And ayun guys, i-update ko kayo later. Pero alam nyo ba, naka-flat shoes ako ngayon sa school. Yeah, and meron akong in-order na heels. Nakaparehas ng heels ko nung first year and second year. It's supposed to came? I don't know if that's the right grammar, but dapat dadating siya ngayong araw. And pinipray ko talaga na sana dumating bago ako pumasok today. But yeah, ayun, palis na ako right now, hindi pa rin siya dumadating. Pero parcel is out for delivery na. But yeah, yun lang, share ko lang. And yeah, for my accessories, this is my earrings. And as always, my watch and my H ring. And for my bag, ayun lang yung bag ko guys. My Coach bag.
And that time off also comes with a limit. They might exempt you from some household chores, but
Your season of occupation. It's time to send in your
Eat ng chicken.
Get to know you.
Di ba yung kanya mas malamang? Tignan lang.
On the ends. The best way to spend your day in it.
Ito na guys, kaganapan namin sa Elev right now.
gagamitin pa ba yan?
Ay, tingnan mo. Nasa na yung mga tao. Kulinay ko sa vlog. Tingnan mo. Aray, gagi. Uy, nasira.
Hindi, sira na talaga siya.
Tingnan nyo guys. Labas ka mo. Labas ka muna. Guys, tingnan nyo yung nangyari sa Elev. May napaki pa.
Sirain mo na muna.
Pag nasira pa yan, lagot pa tayo. Kayo lang pala. Ayan. Oy, oh. Tapos yung nasa pinakadulo, iiwan natin. Hey guys, good afternoon. So it's currently 5:52 PM ng hapon and ayun guys, as you can see, medyo haggard na ako and ayun, kakatapos lang ng class namin for the whole day and right now, nandito kami sa McDonald's na mga friends ko. So ang kasama ko lang naman guys is me, Colleen, and Rafael. And ayun, dapat talaga guys, mag-chill moment kami like cocktails sa Hidden Hatch. But yeah, Colleen! But ayun guys, wala nang upuan. Si Rafa? Ha?
Yung gusto mo na rin yung
Cereal? Yun yung binili mo? Ayan. So ayun guys, wala na kasing upuan sa Hidden Hatch and wala rin kaming mahanap na mapag-iinuman. Kaya ang end up namin is McDo. Pilin, hi ka nga sa vlog. Ayan. Hi ka sa vlog. Wala kang magagawa. How much? 158. With Cassandra. Wait, is it okay for you? Nagpa-vlog ako. Okay. Hey guys, good morning. So it's currently 8:25 AM in the morning. And ayun, di pa rin tapos yung first class namin. Nagkaroon lang kami ng short break. So now, bumili lang ako ng food here sa McDo kasi nagugutom na ako and I want some coffee. I don't know guys, sobrang favorite ko lately yung yung cereal iced coffee ng McDo. And look who's here guys. Okay lang ba? So eto guys, kasama ko si Cassandra. Ayan. Tingin ko guys, lagi niyo na siya makikita sa vlog ko. kasi guys, friends kami niyan. Hindi ko na siya masyado nakikita, pero ngayon lagi niyo na siya makikita sa vlog ko. So ayun guys, anyways, pagtas namin mo yung order, babalik na kami sa room kasi short break lang. And then, ayun, may short reporting din kami. So, papasok! Inantay lang namin.
Sustainability, energy efficiency, ayan. Ito yung gagawin nyo later, no? I hope yung mga laptops tayo nila. Meron pa.
Casey! Ang ganda. Bibili ka? Kapag may cute ako nakita. Ay, gusto ko ng sticker. May sticker pala ulit. May sticker. Oy! Hoy, ikaw ha? Kita sa vlog yun. Gusto ko na si Arkin.
Yan po si Arkin, guys.
Ito daw, guys. Gusto ko nung
Si Ron, guys.
Wala ka mukha nito. Wala, gusto ko nung salamin. Kaso ko naman.
This woman, I met her on MySpace. Yeah, she's a very beautiful woman. She's tall, skinny, she's a redhead, very beautiful woman. Why don't we do it this way? Because you've never met her. Well, then-
Hey guys, so ayun, sobrang haggard ko na. And sige, mauna ka na para di lalata. So ayun guys, pabalik na ako ngayon sa room kasi may class talaga ako. Bumaba lang ako kasi nanood ako ng game ni Casey. And good news, panalo yung si THM guys, ang haggard ko na. And ayun guys, papasok na ako.
Pageant in which they crowned a ship as Miss America and through a pressure feminine artifacts such as brass, girdles, high heels, makeup, and false eyelashes into the trash can. So, kung titignan nyo, napaka-critical na nila.
Hey guys, so So, uwian na namin, guys. And papakilala ko kayo sa isa sa mga friends ko here sa Pinoval, si Kuya Dom. Parang ano ko na yan, guys. Parang dad ko na yan. Kuya, hi ka sa vlog. Vlogger ako, kuya. Alam mo ba yun? Ayun, guys. Oh, may kurome.
Then during the pre-industrial, we have the titled people. Then we have the workers or the land workers. Then the
Merienda, guys. Guys, kakapasok lang namin ni Kulin. Tapos na agad. Alam mo nerd siya. Kakatapos lang namin, guys. Bye! Bye, Ron!
Bye.
Hey guys, kakapasok lang namin. And tapos na agad yung class. May binigay lang sa amin, guys. Ito siya. Bye! Nag-vlog. Ingat ka! So, ito siya, guys. And then, yung laman niya is... Ano ba laman niya? First is this nameplate with my full name. And then, etong bag. And then... Ano tawag dito?
Your gold rewards, guys.
Then, meron siyang ganito, guys. Ano tawag dito?
Lanyard.
Lanyard. HRMS. And then... Ano to? HRMS card. Hi, Xavier. HRMS. Thank you. HRMS card. And then, eto. So, ayan siya, guys. Kakapasok lang namin. Uwian na agad. Yun, guys. Yun yung laman niya.
Sama mo na yung
Again, eto. Ba't ibabalik? Yung pin, yung card, and then a lanyard. So, mais namin ngayon, guys. Nag-meeting lang ng very quick as usual. And then, uwian na namin. And it's currently 4:34 p.m. Then, after neto, guys, siguro tatambay kami ni Kulin para mag-catch up bago kami umuwi kasi sobrang aga pa. So, yeah. Papasok natin to sa bag ko kasi ang laki niya, guys, and it's giving pure gold. It's giving pure gold. Bye, Gav!
Pick your season or occupation. It's time to send in your application. Get to know the short-term friends you only talk to.
Nasa inyo?
Bye lang. Ay, alam niya agad na may camera. Ito, alam niya agad. Xavier. Ron.
Ito, 12 pieces chicken karage bites.
Mango shake with Kuya Ron. Sobrang init, guys. Na-overstimulate na kami. Wala. Hindi mo kinutkot. May ano ka? May sushi ka?
Bakit yung akin walang topping?
Ang bilis naman. Wala pa ako sinabi na open ka na. Alright. Kasi dati may binanggit ko to sa evaluation ko. No?
I think this is literally Angelo right here. Ay, Jello. It's the papipilitan for me. Sama kita sa vlog ko, ah. Wala na, kasama ka na. Thanks, Jello. Hey guys! So, it's currently 6:02 p.m. and nandito ako sa my main building And ayun, pauwi na ako. And mag-isa na lang ako. As you can see, kakatapos lang namin magkita ni Angelo. So, Angelo, guys, is a dearest friend of my best friend, which is Casey. So, ayun, nakita lang kami and then nag-catch up lang kami kasi it's been 5 months since the last time we met each other. And then, ayun, nag-coffee lang kami. And, ayun, now I'm alone and pauwi na ako. So, I'm currently walking here sa main building. And ayun guys, I just have here my coffee and pauwi na ako. Alam nyo ba guys, share ko lang, there's something about pag-uwian mo gabi, tapos sasakay ka ng bus, like Manila to Cavite na bus, like there's something there. Like, nakakaya mag-vlog, ang dami nakatingin sa akin. But yeah, there's something there na mas calm siya kaysa pag umaga ka uuwi. So, yeah.
Satisfied.
Sabi mo nga, satisfactory.
I'm very satisfied.
Hindi ba natitikman satisfied ka na? Hey guys, so kakatapos lang ng elective namin. Oh my God, ba't ganito yung tsura ko? Kakatapos lang ng class namin and ano tawag dito? Inuimpluwensyahan ako ng friend kong gumastos.
Sarap kasi guys.
Na para bang deserve namin.
Set up sa sarili niya na streaming service sa bahay niya. Ayoko sa service. Kasi
First bite. Mainit.
kaya nga,
Red sa.
kapalala mo. Mahal din. Tapos, tinanong ko yung presyo ng stay niya. Nagpares ako din sa, sa 2 piece. 20 pesos lang po tayo matapos.
Pero minsan gusto ko rin mga lalaki. Mga hindi po yung story. Kaya, pero parang hindi ko pag lalaki yun, anong gagawin?
Kalma natin. May follow kayo lang.
Nakakita.
This wasn't bullshit drink. Kasi yun yung order mo. Ano ba?
Pag nag-edit ako ng vlog, tapos kumakain tayong ganyan. Pag nag-edit ako, parang nalalasahan ko yung
Dela, Berta po sa kami doon.
Nakamupo na sila.
Ay, oo nga.
Parang kakapay mo. Parang fresh graduate pa lang. Tapos yung kanina nagbibigay.
Ito na siya. Hi ka sa vlog.
Have a tattoo.
Hi ka. Ay! Ring if you have a tattoo.
Okay na, enough.
Ako agad. Hi ka sa vlog. Hi ka sa vlog, Rain.
Hello.
Hi kayo sa vlog. Sama ko kayo sa vlog ah. Hi ka sa vlog, Mommy. Mommy. Oh, you make us unlock. Dinner.
Still live with your parents. Nakaparaan naman. Ay, ako hindi. O, di ko.
Honest din to eh, no?